Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best foldable AB machine. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best foldable AB machine for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to achieving a toned core, a foldable AB machine can be a game changer. Perfect for those with limited space, these machines combine effectiveness with convenience, allowing you to strengthen your abs without cluttering your home. Benefits of a foldable AB machine. These machines are designed to fold easily, making storage a breeze. Ideal for apartments or smaller workout spaces, they can be tucked away after your session. Many foldable AB machines come with adjustable resistance and various exercise options. This allows for a range of workouts targeting different muscle groups, from crunches to leg raises. Investing in a foldable AB machine can be more economical than a gym membership. It provides a dedicated space for core workouts at home, ensuring you stay committed to your fitness goals. Ensure the machine is constructed from durable materials for safety during workouts. Look for machines with cushioned support to protect your back and enhance comfort. Easy to fold and unfold mechanisms can make your workout routine more efficient. A foldable AB machine is a practical addition to any home gym. By considering the factors above, you can choose a model that meets your needs and helps you achieve your fitness aspirations. Thanks for watching the video.